Hello everybody, unedited, decided to shut the spotlight off. Part 3 for the evening. It says 53 degrees. Wow. It's the secret sound. Anybody guess that one? I'll give a hint. It came from a vehicle. A fairly large one, and they use it usually when they park. It does it, or it releases once in a while. And it's got a lot of wheels on it, so that's as much as I'm giving out. See if you can figure out what that was. I'll finish out with a little bit of evening walk. The bike ride that I first videoed here this evening, I did it one way for that timeline. Come on, Lacey. Well, the water was running out. Somebody's having basement troubles. Very difficult to walk up hills. I'm so ready for this. Bikes feel like they're weighted down in muck. So I'm going to try to put a nice little video beforehand or during my stay at the hospital in Marshfield, Wisconsin, to cheer up some people that are a lot less fortunate than I am while I'm there. So stay tuned for that one. I am not letting the cat out of the bag with this. So stay tuned. Starting to sprinkle. Yeah, I'm going to cut this one out here pretty soon. Thanks for staying tuned and subscribing. I'm trying to throw you a couple things here through this torturous chamber I'm going through. I'll let you know I really appreciate you staying tuned. Hang in there for some more live action. It's unedited. Hit that like button. Count of three. 1, 2, 3. Like you like.